Do you need to change the tubing on your ear mold? Let me show you how. Sometimes tubing can be cracked or broken, and we will show you how to deal with that in another video. But for now, we're going to do a simple tubing change. Hold the softer tubing of your mold and the harder clear hook at the top of your hearing aid. Simply twist and pull apart. The tubing should be able to easily pull out of the mold. If it is stuck, we will also show you how to deal with that in another video. When the tubing comes out in its entirety, you will see that there is an opening in which to place your new tubing. This is a new uncut tube. You'll see that there is a shorter, slanted end. Take this, insert it into the outer part of the mold, and keep pushing. You may need to use a little force until the tubing pulls all the way through till the bend. You will now cut this end flush with the canal. Make sure it is cut all the way so that when it's placed in the ear, it will not cause any irritation. You will now have to cut this end of the tubing to reconnect to your hearing aid. You can use the older tubing as an example, or you can simply put the hearing aid behind your ear and the ear mold in your ear and cut to the appropriate length. If you're using your older tube, lay the older tube on top of the new one and go ahead and cut. You can now reconnect your new tube to your hearing aid. Simply push the end of the tubing up to fit over the tone hook, making sure it is secure, and you have on your own replaced your ear mold tubing. Good job.